So, have you been wearing the same 5 t-shirts for the past month and a half? Do you feel like wearing something different but still want to be a comfy potato gum? Meme t-shirts!
So step 1 is to grab some chips, lay down, go online, and find some memes you like so you can put them on your t-shirts. Step 2 is to ask the creator of the memes for permission to use their work, their art, and the one I used will be linked below because they're amazing. Next, you want to cut out all of your different images without leaving any border around them. I chose 4 in case I messed up one of them. Then you want to congratulate yourself and flex because you managed to do all of this while squatting under a tripod. Next, you want to wrap the entire image in cling wrap and make sure you don't miss any edges or the paper will just start to burn. And then we're going to take some parchment paper, not wax paper, and put it on top. Next, we're going to iron the parchment paper until the plastic melts and the picture sticks to the t-shirt. This is going to take absolutely forever and your house will smell like it's on fire, but it will be worth it. Make sure it's actually on there, and celebrate and dance around, and celebrate what you can do with cheap t-shirts from the men's section and an iron.
Bing, 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 bing.